If you want to install an iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download this kind of launcher. So we're gonna go search and we're gonna write iOS launcher. There we go. Of course, you can find multiple different launchers that you can try. In my case, I think I'm gonna try to use this one. So let's install this one and let's see if it works. In case you don't like this one, and then you can try any other launcher that you can find in the Play Store. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, and this is quite normal considering these apps are free. So let's open it and let me show you how to set it up. So once you open the launcher, you might grant the permission for the launcher to have access to the location. Of course, you don't have to really do that. I'm just gonna agree. I'm gonna also agree to all these permissions as well. And before we move on, what I also can recommend you is to go to App Library. And of course, we have an ad in the meantime, so let's close it. And then let's go back. So the reason why we do this is because we want this window that, or actually we have to start the iOS launcher first. All right, so once we go to the launcher, you might see this blur effect message, which appears every time on every smartphone. So we're just gonna tap never. And then we can set this iOS launcher to be the default one. So switch over here, let's press got it. And as you can see, we have our iOS launcher. We have our app library. There we go, it works just fine. And we can enjoy our iOS launcher. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.